Smriti, tell us about the beautiful Zardozi you've used in the song Shararat.
Because the entire film has a certain palette and language, we decided to put this particular sequence into a different palette altogether, which was a little different from the rest of it, but also sat mutually with it. We decided to choose gold, bronze, and taupe as our base colors because it had to be rich, it had to be very royal and regal, because there are two weddings in the film. One is a ghetto wedding, and this had to be a very rich wedding. So we had to ensure that if we are using sheen here, that sheen has to be very different from the ghetto wedding sheen. That's uncomfortable sheen. This is class sheen. And if you say class, then you use the right materials to achieve it, which is Zardoz. And everything that we see on our actors, which includes Ranveer, Sara, and Rahman, Arjun Rampal, everything is hand embroidery. We have not touched machine embroidery, and the material used are pure Zardoz. So it was a very deliberate choice of embroidery and colors and everything that we chose for that section of the film. And since you've asked this, I will also try to tell you about the Eid sequence in the film, because there also the palette has been very different. Again, the same intent that Eid hai, celebration hai, and we have to ensure that it doesn't look like the rest of the film and yet be a part of the film. And sometimes it's okay to give like a visual jhatka to the audiences for the relief to the eye. And so the colors that we decided to go for, very, very well planned, teal walls, off-white, beige, cream on men, and magentas, pink, reds on women. And the one color, which was Nabil's shawl, was also deepest mine, which was a velvet shawl he's wearing. And he's wearing a salmon pink kurta. So this was also a very deliberate choice of colors to provide a visual break to the people. And I think that's why they stand noticed.
Yes. One thing I wanted to talk about is the silhouette the dancers are wearing in Shararat.
Yes, we went to do a lot of research in terms of first of all, the kind of stage shows that happen, if they happen, and when they happen. So we figured that if there is a celebration at home, or if there's a political or a party or a gathering of rich people in Pakistan, what kind of performances happen? So we found that there were women and men dancers. So in one of those silhouettes, we found that this kurta and the Punjabi lungi silhouette was also done a lot. As and when the time has evolved and people have gotten, fashion has changed, then I started seeing a lot of women wear a lot of tiala salwars also in the references that we found. And then to keep it a little different from most of the dance numbers or the so-called item numbers, which we did not want to treat this as, we wanted to step away a little from there. And that's when the lungi and the kurta came into the play. While all the stage performances that I've seen tend to have a blingier approach, I chose to still take the classier approach even for our dancers and the background dancers. So even their clothes, the color that we chose for the background dancers was like this desaturated, warm rust, which blends into the skin. And the only thing that stood out was the little jewelry that we hung. And I've used brocades, I've used pure silks, I've used hand embroideries on both our main dancers. So yeah, I tried to achieve it, and I hope I was successful in some way. And yeah, I hope everybody
नहीं, it
has
looks
been able to
beautiful
see.
यार. And जैसे ही मैंने वो dancers का outfit देखा, it looked very familiar. मुझे लगा कि हाँ मैंने कहीं तो देखा किसी पाकिस्तानी performance में YouTube